Yes, this watch is absolutely worth buying. You want to know why? Because the Edifice model ECB-10D features a very attractive design. And also presents a mobile link feature that was previously limited to the G-SHOCK models. Simply install Edifice connected to your phone and now you can access the watch through your phone. Honestly, there aren't many features in this build app, but it will definitely useful if you have trouble making adjustments right from the watch. As we said, the available features are very limited, such as world time adjustment, stopwatch, reminder, alarm and timer. But there is no way you will be disappointed with the cool design of this Edifice ECB-10D. With an octagonal stainless steel bezel, this model looks like it was inspired by the hugely popular G-Steel G-SHOCK model. Okay, it looks really cool guys, but how much is the price of this ECB-10D watch? Obviously $220 isn't cheap for a watch, but come on, it's a full stainless steel watch with 100 water resistance. This watch can be a long-term investment, as it is almost certain that it will have a long service life. Maybe 5 to 10 years. The shape and design are very compact with a size that is not too big, but it's also not too small. But obviously, the total weight of this watch is also not light, which is 167 grams. This weight is about 2 times the average G-SHOCK watch today. But this also proves the quality of the stainless steel used in this watch is very good. The basic face design of this model incorporates an 8-sided bezel and 4 screws, which give it an image of a professional racing car maintenance tool and an impressive mechanical feel. With one-touch 3-fold clasp, you can easily lock or unlock this stainless steel band. To open the lock, just press the 2 buttons together on both sides. And simply push it back to lock. Overall, this ECB-10D is a watch that is worth buying. Especially if you don't like the G-SHOCK model. Talking about the G-SHOCK, it seems that not many G-SHOCK models can match the bright light of this Edifice ECB-10D. Just look at how good the lighting is with this white double LED. Unlike most Casio watches, this model places an adjust button on the left side. Right between the light button at the top and the Bluetooth button below it. While on the right side, there is only one mode button. With this mode button, you can navigate through all the features on this watch with just one press for each mode. Starting from timekeeping, stopwatch, timer, alarm, world time, and back to the timekeeping mode. But what we love most about the ECB-10D is the very neat and smooth finishing on the entire stainless steel part. The back covers of the thick screw back cases of these models come with a very nice touch, with a big Edifice logo. Ready to get one of this watch? Or if you are not interested in this model, you can subscribe to our channel to get information on other watch models in the future. That's it, our review on this Casio Edifice ECB-10D. See you on the next videos.